Welcome to Motorman. In this channel we are providing information about different accessories of automotives. Follow the video description and click on the links for more details. Let's watch the video. Number 1. Tiger Auto TGBC 3D 1011 T3 Soft Trifold Black 6.4 feet tonneau cover. It is made of dual-coated 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, heavy-duty aluminum powder-coated frames, and comes with stainless steel clamps for easy installation and great durability. Pre-assembled horizontal crossbars offer support and conveniently fold up with the cover providing full bed access. 2002 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. 2019 Ram 1500 Classic only. Easy no drilling installation with the provided instruction and hardware. Small holes will need to be cut for vehicle equipped with over-the-bed drill bed liner to secure the clamps. Works with under-the-bed drill bed liner without modification. Tiger provides limited lifetime warranty. Number 2. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, fits 2019 and 20 Ram 1500 new body style, does not fit with multi-function tailgate 5-7 inches bed does not work with multi-function tailgate. It is made in the USA and supported by USA-based customer service team. Installation is very easy and fast. Simply clamp the rails on without the use of a drill. Cover assembly comes with everything you need for a simple install. User can access 100% of the truck bed. Roll the cover towards the cab and secure with the storage strap for full access to your bed. The Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up is backed by a lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp. Number 3. Trucksetto Truck Sport Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. An affordable solution for those looking for a cover in the price range of a snap-on model but with the features of high-end models. The truck bed cover that is watertight and allows to stand guard against heavy snow load during cold winter months. Cover height above bed rails of approximately 1 1/2 adds aerodynamic contours to your truck, improving MPG up to 10%. Sleek, smooth look not broken by arched bows and cover material improves the look of any truck. Top mount design works with most bed caps and liners. Simple clamp-on rails and headers requiring no drilling or cutting means installation can take as little as 20 minutes. Manual tension control knob requires no tools, adjusting in seconds to keep the cover tight and taut. Single-person usability of dual latch system at the tailgate allows for quick release and roll-up, while maintaining security. Can be removed completely from the truck bed without tools and in seconds. It comes with 5-year warranty. Number 4. Undercover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. It's an ultra-low profile design. This tonneau cover allows for full access to your bed. Built-in prop rods to secure the cover. For easy installation, plastic buckles and straps included. Dual-action tailgate seal for easy operation. The cover can be removed in seconds without tools. Number 5. Backpack Flip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Fits 2009 to 2018, 19 and 20 Classic Dodge Ram. Providing ultimate security, the Backflip MX4 tonneau cover has durable aluminum panels that automatically latch as the cover is partially or fully closed. When closed, this cover protects your cargo with a locked tailgate. The MX4 hard folding truck bed cover features a matte finish on the panels, protecting against marks, scratches and UV damage. The bed is 100% accessible. You can drive with this cover closed, folded or flipped up, all without covering the third brake light. The MX4's dual-action tailgate seal allows you to close the tailgate with the cover open or closed. The truck bed cover is rated up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight and is easy to install. This hard fold has a 5 years hassle-free warranty and is proudly made in the USA with a US-based support team. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel Motorman and press the bell button to get more update and video on Motorman on YouTube.